Welcome to 124 Goodwin Street in Currajong, a beautifully updated family home that delivers remarkable space, flexibility and lifestyle.
Set on an 809 square metre block offering 5 bedrooms, this is a residence designed for families who need room to grow, room to connect and room to live their lives effortlessly.
Homes offering this level of versatility and comfort are rare in Currajong, with generous proportions, multiple living zones, and potential to tailor the home to your family's needs.
124 Goodwin Street is an opportunity you won't want to miss.